To add Typeform to WordPress, you just need to open up first the Typeform in WordPress site. Next is go to Typeform and then just open up your form. So I'm just going to open up mine here. Okay, so once you're here, you can just click on share here at the top. Okay, now click on embed in a web page here at the left side. Then click on start embedding. Now copy this code. Now go back or go to your WordPress website and then just click on view site here. Now click on edit site at the top. Now click on pages here, the left side. Choose the page where you want to embed your Typeform. Then click on edit. Now here, click here at the bottom where you want to add your Typeform and then click on the plus icon here at the top left. Click on code. Now here, just click on this one here and then click on custom HTML. Now you just need to click on edit HTML. Paste your HTML here. Click on update. As you can see, before we click update, it would look like this. Click on update again. Okay, now your Typeform will be embedded here.